The last valid constitution of the Bar Association was the one passed in 2001, which was registered in 2004. Now, from that time onwards, there had been 2 or 3 major amendments under which we applied at least 3 or 4 past presidents. Now, the suggestion that all that has been done by the NBA from 2004 onwards, including election of various presidents of the Bar Association from 2004, including the 2015 general elections and including all our branch elections, have been legally wiped off, is of course something which has far-reaching implications and consequences for the legal profession and is capable of throwing the profession into complete disarray. It is for this reason we appeal the decision, and we also filed application to set it aside on certain legal grounds. Now, the complaint, as we understand it from the litigants, is not that the Bar Association constitutions or the various amendments were not validly passed by the members at properly convened general meetings. The complaint, as we understand it, is that the constitutions were not approved and registered by the Corporate Affairs Commission. Now, I want to say that the Corporate Affairs Commission has a responsibility to approve amendments to constitutions or other documents, constitutive documents of organizations such as ours. But the responsibility of passing those constitutions or amending those constitutions lies with those organizations. Now, I'm aware that the process for registering the 2015 Constitution was commenced by the last administration of my brother Augustin Alege, SAN, and the applications were duly filed back in August 2016, I believe, and this process, although was delayed, but was not abandoned. There's nothing in the judgment of the court that says the Constitution cannot be registered. There's nothing in CAMA, that is the Corporate Affairs Companies and Allied Matters Act, which says that the Corporate Affairs Commission has a time frame within which to register or approve the Constitution. And I've just been informed by the General Secretary that we received a notification from the Corporate Affairs Commission last week on 24th, forwarding the approved copy of the NBA Constitution duly stamped and registered by the Commission. Therefore, I want to appeal to all our members who have been expressing grievances about the validity of the Constitution to rest their oars and to accept that we now have a validly duly registered Constitution and to withdraw any litigation in court affecting the constitutions. Now, having said that, I want to emphasize that I've been in consultation with the trustees and with other leaders of the association, and we have had series of meetings with all our members or various members who hold certain grievances arising from previous constitutional amendments, especially the 2015 Constitution. And I have committed myself to addressing those grievances and to also carrying everybody along in order to ensure that all these issues are completely and effectively and amicably sorted out. This is not the time when we should consume our association in any legal bickerings.